We're going to send all of these clothes back to ThredUP as an experiment, no matter what's in this box, no matter if it's designer, no matter if it's from Target, Walmart, even without tags, new tags. We're gonna send it back to ThredUP. I'm gonna do a partner kit with Gap, and we're gonna see what they accept, what they don't accept, kind of proving a point of like, you can send things back into ThredUP. I do it all the time. Hi guys, my name is Alexis, and I'm sorry I've not been making videos lately. I just started a new job and I'm adjusting to that. I am a professional merchandise specialist, so I'm still dealing with fashion. It's just hard to fit in YouTube videos, but I want to keep making them. I'm still reselling, just not as much. I've been wanting to make this video forever. It's a two-part thing. I have my coffee here. You caught me on 2 rainy days, so don't come at me for my hair. In the first part of the video, I'm going to show you a haul of 2 ThredUP rescue boxes. These are 25 pieces each. The cost of each box was $60, shipping and tax. It's $120 total. I sent in every item from those boxes, no matter what it was, back to ThredUP in a Gap rescue box. I will then flip the gift card, get a 15% increase, processed within a week of sending it in, and the cost of each item should be $2.40. These are my favorite rescue boxes. If you've been following me for a while or have watched other YouTubers, you know that the 25-piece mixed women's box is awesome. So I believe these boxes were both from Arizona, and I have the results back for you. I was gonna do this with one box, but I weighed the boxes and it's under 30 pounds. One box weighs 13 pounds, so I'm kind of nervous. It's supposed to be 25 pieces of clothes, so I'm a little bit nervous about what's in here. Okay, first we have this J.Jill dress without a size. Starting off great. ThredUP does not accept things without sizes, so that's probably why it's in here. Extra large Lucy.com workout vest thing. I'm not sure about this. I've never heard of this brand, but okay. Free People size small knitted dress. Okay, cute. This is a good box. You can already tell. Lululemon. It doesn't have a size right off the bat, so they probably won't accept it, but burgundy leggings. We're just gonna send everything in. We're just gonna send everything in and see, and I'll probably put the results at the end of this video or in a second video. Okay. Banana Republic size 0. I would have sent these back anyway. Gap extra small. Would have sent this back into them anyway as well. Pistola jeans size 30. That's my size, and these are cute, so it's painful to send these in. Oh, they're so cute. It's for the experience. It's for the experience. Okay. Pistola jeans. You know what? They're very biased in what they accept. Whatever they don't accept, I honestly just send back to them. Okay, Kato 26, 28 top, off the shoulder action, very cute. Pool, size small. I forget what brand this is. Like, I forget what Pool is from. Okay, cute. Zara, extra small cold shoulder dress. This is so cute. H&M size 2. Very wrinkly but cute. International Concepts, too petite. I would have sent this back anyway. Oh. Gymshark, no size right off the bat, but these are nice. They'll probably just send them back to me. Banana Republic size 0. I'll just send this anyway as well. Z by Zella, extra small. No, this is so cute. What is this? Please don't be my size. No. Reformation jumpsuit. This is painful. They're probably gonna send it back to me though because it doesn't have a size, but we're just gonna, oh, it does have a size, small. Okay, it's not my size anyway, it's fine. But you know what? They don't look hard for the sizes, so they'll probably just send it back to me, which I hope they do. Okay, it's this very cute Reformation open back romper. This is beautiful. 14th and Union, size small. Beautiful green velvet. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is such a good box, honestly. Oh, what is this? Please don't be designer. Just kidding. Calvin Klein, size 8. Okay. I would have sent this back anyway. Express, 0 regular. Would have sent this back. Okay, these are cute. Express Design, editor, size 6. Very cute shorts. GB. What is that brand? I don't know. Okay, size medium. Cute. This Lululemon tank. I'm sure the size is in here, but again, they don't look for sizes. It's a size 6. That's a great size. I'm gonna send this back into them. Sending everything in. Calvin Klein, new with tags, large, very soft tank. $66. Ann Taylor, extra, extra small. Skirt, I would have just sent this back in. Petite 00, the limited, would have sent this back in. On to the second box. Oh, no. No, this is so good. But it doesn't have a size, so they're gonna send it back. Free People. It's like teddy bear, poncho, robe jacket thing. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. What size is this? Does this fit me? Might be small. Oh, and I see Lululemon again. Why are these boxes good? Okay, they're probably gonna send that back because it didn't have a size, so we'll see. Size 10 Lululemon, that's my size, but I probably wouldn't wear these. Like ruched bag shorts. New with tags, BCG, small pullover, $19.99. Trina Turk, it says size 4, I believe, but like I said, they're picky with the sizes, so they're probably just gonna send it back per usual. Is this another? No, this is Iro. I've never had this. Oh, it's, wait, Champion. On sale for $7.48. It's very cute. This would probably fit me, but I don't really wear these like tank. I wear this sports bra, but not this tank with it. Okay, I'm gonna send that back as is. It has the clearance tag. Oh, this is beautiful. No, please don't be something. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Thanks for supporting local artisans in Nigerian communities. Please leave a review on the website. Guys, how can I send this? Okay, we're gonna send it back. It's by Awuruan. Sorry if I said that wrong, but it doesn't have a size, so they'll probably send it back, but this is beautiful. Vince Camuto, size 8 dress. And I usually send Vince Camuto back into ThredUP. Sam Edelman, the stiletto, size 8. Pants. Express, size small dress. Probably would send this back in as well. Trying to go through these fast. J. Jill, size medium dress. Would have sent this back as well. At least these things have sizes. So, oh no, this is so cute. What is this? No, another boutique thing. Oh gosh, it's my size. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, gosh, this is cute. It's a jumpsuit, size large, button clasp, Rita's, hem and thread. This kind of looks like Altered State. It says hem and thread, size large. And has this, I guess there's like something, there's a defect on it, so maybe ThredUP will pass on it. Okay, oh my gosh. Free People, $118 shirt. Love will rise above all. Okay, I love that. Zadig and Voltaire. Oh my gosh. This is a $118 t-shirt. Zadig and Voltaire fashion show. Is this worth more? Oh my gosh, why is this such a good box? I'm regretting my decision. 14th and Union, extra large is the second 14th and Union that I've gotten. Okay. Vince Camuto, size 8 dress. This looks expensive. I'm not sure what this is. Size 2 Current Elliott cotton button-up jacket type thing. I'm gonna look up all of these brands. Okay, we have some Dickies, size 7. These are very trendy right now. We have Old Navy, size large. Okay, this is pretty cute for Old Navy. I mean, Old Navy does have some cute stuff, but Victoria Sport, size small. Loft, size 10. I'll just send this back anyway. This feels like cashmere or something. J. Crew, cashmere, size extra large, very bright orange sweater. Copper Key, size medium. Shirt, I'm not sure about Copper Key, but I feel like this is sold at TJ Maxx. Girlfriend Collective. I've heard of this brand, but I can't remember. I feel like this is an expensive workout brand, but I feel like they also sell like sports bras and things, but it doesn't have a size, so hopefully they'll send it back because these are cute. Another 14th and Union, size medium. Okay, skirt. Leaf, size extra small. It's a good brand. Oh, and the last thing, an Everlane, size 4 wrap dress. And that is everything I will be sending back. There are some good things in here that I'm semi-regretting, but we're still gonna see it through. We're still gonna send it. Stay in this video if you want to see the results of what they accept, what they don't accept, and what sells and for how much. I'm just gonna go down the list and say what I made. So in total, my total payout plus the increase was $151.32. They accepted 33 items. First, a C9 Champion Active Tank. I received a whopping 18 cents. J-Gel long sleeve top, $3.72. Banana Republic factory store khakis, 88 cents. GB sleeveless blouse, 88 cents. Zara basic casual dress, $3.06. Pistola denim shorts, $1.89. Lucy active tank, $1.89. 14th and Union blazer, $2.28. Vince Camuto casual dress, $6.69. The limited black collection dress pants, $2.66. Sam Edelman jeans, $4.70. Free People pullover sweater, $10.50. BCG pullover hoodie, 88 cents. Old Navy short sleeve button down, $1.34. That seems like a lot for that Old Navy shirt, but I remember it being cute. Copper Key long sleeve blouse, 52 cents. Vince Camuto casual dress, $8.66. 14th and Union casual skirt, 75 cents. Everlane casual dress, $5.51. H&M 3/4 sleeve blouse, 75 cents. Pull and Bear long sleeve blouse, $1.34. Current Elliott long sleeve button-down shirt, $4.70. Ann Taylor Loft casual dress, $2.28. J. Crew collection cashmere pullover sweater, $21.77. That's crazy. Never would have thought that would be the case. Express dress pants, $1.51. 14th and Union long sleeve blouse, $1.02. Reformation casual dress. This is actually a romper, I believe, but you know how ThredUP is. $18.29. It's a pretty good payout for not doing any work. Calvin Klein casual dress, $6.69. Banana Republic sleeveless blouse, 63 cents. Express cocktail dress, $2.85. Girlfriend Collective active pants, $5.79. Express Design Studio shorts, 33 cents. Lululemon active tank, $3.96. And Lululemon active pants, $12.25. The total was $141.15. I got return assurance, so I'll get the items that they did not accept back. Maybe they didn't have a size, maybe they just passed on it. I send things back in multiple times that are passed on because the merchandise specialists have biases. So I tend to send things in if I think it's a good piece, but I remember that like there's several pieces that I know that I can make profit on once I get them back. I just wanted to do this experiment. So I got a 15% boost, $21.17. My total payout was $151.32. And all I did was open the box, put the clothes in another box and send them in. So I think this was an awesome payout for a little bit of work. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.